How to change your name on Facebook Lite. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name on Facebook Lite. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook Lite app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from there, you can simply scroll down and tap on Settings under Settings and Privacy. And once you are in the Settings and Privacy section, simply tap on the Account Center. And from there, you can simply tap on Profiles. Now, choose your Facebook account from the list and you will see the option for name. Simply tap on it. And now in this new section, you can simply enter your new name in the provided fields, and keep in mind that once you have changed your name, you won't be able to change it for 60 days. So make sure you choose wisely. And after entering your new name, simply tap on Review Change at the bottom of the screen, and if everything looks good, go ahead and save your changes. And that's it. That's how you can easily change your name on Facebook Lite. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.